Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Are you fine?
Yes, I am fine.
Do you enjoy your Lebaran days?
Yes, I do.
Do you go anywhere on Lebaran days?
Yes, I do.
Where is your hometown?
My hometown is Panama.
Do you go to your hometown?
No, I don't.
Why?
Because I don't have time.
What food do you like to eat on Lebaran?
I like to eat rendang.
What Lebaran cakes do you like?
I like nastar because it is delicious.
What drink do you like on Lebaran day?
I like a syrup.
Whom do you visit on Lebaran day?
I visit my real house.
How much money do you get on Lebaran day?
I got for 100,000.
How do you get money on Lebaran day?
I get money for my relatives.
How do you spend your money?
I save my money.
Tell about your activities on Lebaran.
In the morning, I pray with my family.
Thank you guys!